The ActiveLink SE bike rack is all about bringing maximum value and convenience to your active lifestyle. It is built around the revolutionary ActiveLink technology from CURT, a hitch-mounted system that allows for fast, easy, secure attachment of hitch accessories like never before. Just click, load, and go. No special tools are needed. The ActiveLink SE is constructed from high-strength steel, and the SE is available in a 2-bike or a 4-bike configuration. Both configurations of SE bike racks feature rubber cradles to accommodate a variety of frame tube sizes and includes a rubber bumper on the vertical support tube to keep the bike secure while traveling. Stay safe and be seen with SE's built-in high-visibility reflectors. SE features a tilt-away pivot point for convenient access to your vehicle's rear cargo area. The ActiveLink SE bike racks from CURT. Just click, load, and go. And get ready to bring it.